You are our future of our nation, isn't it? And one thing I will let you know, work hard. Hard working plus smart working, it is required today for your better future. If your future will be better, the future of our nation will be glowing. One thing I want to let you know, as you are the students, I'll give you certain words regarding your personality, your enthusiasm, your future. For me, education is the best thing, is the best thing to succeed ahead. Without education, we can't achieve anything. Education sharpens your wits, sharpens our wits, and it enhances our personality. Is that clear? So, my dear students, what I'll proceed you to work hard, study properly, get good marks, and achieve certain goal in your life. What do you mean by education? What do you mean by education? Education doesn't mean by mugging up certain subjects. It inculcates moral values and ethics too. What exactly today's students are lacking far behind, they are lacking the moral values and ethics. They are very important in our life for our future. Morality, humanity, these are very important principles we have to inculcate. No doubt you are quite intelligent, you are very intelligent, you are studying your according to your syllabus, whatever it is, for your upliftment of yourself. But apart from that, try to understand the certain principles and dogmas that will enhance your personality, and that is moral values and ethics. आपको बताना मुझे ठीक नहीं लग रहा, but still I will say that work hard, think properly in the right direction. That will be more appreciable for you. Now the thing is this, what is education? Just as I've told you earlier, education doesn't mean by mugging on certain subject. Let me come back to the point. What are the moral values and ethics? Moral values: respect your parents. Sorry to say, today's students are lagging far behind. Papa, छोड़ो, मैं कल बात करूँगा. This and that. No. Respect your parents, behave properly, respect the society, understand the society. What is society? We are the society because we are the part of society. If we are not going to change, how can it be possible to change the society? Initially, we have to groom ourselves accordingly to the moral values, ethics, certain principles and dogmas. No doubt, in front of me, I'm facing the entire future of my country. You are my future. You are the future of my nation. So that I want to persuade you for the betterment of the society, as well as the betterment of the nation entire. work hard, enjoy your life. I don't want to get you all pressurized. No, no, you have to do this or do that. No, not at all. Enjoy your life. Make your goal. When you decide that this is my goal, achieve it through enjoyment even. Don't get it pressurized. कि भाई नहीं, I have to do tomorrow is my examination and this and that. No, no. Enjoy your exams even. Prepare it very well without any burden. Enjoy it. When you will start enjoying your studies, you will achieve something else. The day won't be far, then you will touch the pinnacle of your success. Our first Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, said, there is no other subject than that of education. He said, there are men and women in our nation that make and build the nation. But there is an education that builds the men and women. Such a high ideology, such a visionary person. For me, I do respect to the all government to take certain steps to enhance our education system, to enhance our abilities, and to enhance the employment of our youth power, and try to pay heed towards your goal. Try to pay heed towards the moral values, ethics. Education plus moral values, they will enhance you to the pinnacle of your life, of success. What do you mean by success? Success doesn't mean by achieving things great. No. Success means to make small things great. Nobody is there in the world, either earlier, not now. I don't know about the future. You're born with a silver spoon. They have to do it. They have to do it. They have to work for that. A strenuous work, dedication, results to success. But one thing I would like to say you, that you are somewhere in a bowl of knowledge. The premises of this college. Attain the maximum knowledge and experience of your seniors, your professors. You will achieve something else. It's very important. For me, education is the only process to lead you ahead. There might be people who are having lots of money, lots of pelf, but apart from that, to use money, you need brain. What I want to say, it needs a proper balancing. A person who is illiterate and he is having lots of money, so surplus money, he won't be able to use it properly. It will lead to the negative direction. A person who is having surplus money is highly educated. He will use that money for the public, for himself, for the upgradation of the nation. That is more important. An illiterate man is like a blind man. Everywhere pitfalls and misfortunes await him. So I'm delighted that my students, my kids, my future, they are attaining, they are gaining the knowledge through the college, through their professors. It's very nice. One thing I want to say to my boys, my dear, respect girls, respect women. To make fun, to enjoy something, it's something else. But don't get harsh. Don't try to become yourself inhuman. We are human beings. भगवान ने हमें पैदा किया है. We must behave properly, behave with everyone. Make sure that you are going to the direction of humanity toward the success. And what I think at last, but not least, what do you think about the values? Moral values, I think are not this. No. First of all, start respecting your parents, start respecting the entire society, listen to them with a kind heart. If you are not happy, okay, everything is not according to you, I do understand, but we have to still digest. Make the point, think, then you react. Immediate reaction won't pay. It will tarnish our image. It will tarnish our image. And I'm from a very small town of Haryana, Sonipat. You won't believe where I am residing. Hardly 10% of the people, they go through English newspaper. Hardly 10%. Maybe those students who are preparing for IIT or IIM, IES, IPS, not beyond that. But my habit, I go through 3 to 4 newspapers daily. Hindustan Times, The Hindu, Indian Express. You must go through the newspapers, especially in these. They will enhance your language, they will enhance your knowledge, they will enhance your vocabulary, and they will enhance your discipline. Certainly, early morning you will be sitting in front of newspaper and going through the words. It will help you a lot. You are young guys. Someone will be, might be trying for IES, IPS, IIT, I don't know. But students will be there who will trying for that. And for that, the newspaper are the boon, apart from your subjects. I'm not disparaging the subject, no, not at all. But apart from that, you must go through the newspapers. When I was in college and school, I used to go through competitive magazine. I tried for IES, HCS. Sorry, I couldn't. Because as I told you earlier, I was not a good student. I was not a serious student. But apart from that, life बहुत रखी आपके सामने. You will enjoy it. make the base. It's your base. It's a foundation. If the foundation of the building is strong, building won't, it will last long, isn't it? Make the foundation strong. And this is your foundation in the college. Make it strong to make your future strong, isn't it? Chalo. Okay, my dear.